Hello and welcome to another update video here about Polkadot. And Polkadot is one of the few coins that's really rallying here on the weekend. We already talked about it in the last video that we are probably now in a third wave here. So we talked about, obviously we rallied in this 5-wave move here from the end of December, had a nice entry point here, peaked around $7, came down, had another turning point here. And again, only really the Elliott Wave method gives you these high probability turning points. Always amazed to see that working out. And now, based on that, we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2, and we'd be rallying now in a wave 3. What I cannot rule out at this stage is that this is just an overshooting B wave. We will really not know that until we break above the 1.38 fib retracement. Oh, we've done that just now. Okay. So yeah, with a very high probability, the primary count is therefore confirmed. Okay, the daily candle hasn't closed yet and so on, but typically what you need to be aware of, if you, let me just adjust that correctly here, if you are still below the 1.38 fib retracement of the move down here, this correction, this could still be an overshooting B wave easily, because they tend to overshoot by 1.38. However, I have seen personally overshooting B waves that exceed by 200%. That would be here at 837. But then it's getting unlikely, right? I mean, already above the 1.38, it's getting unlikely. And already in the last video, I highlighted to you that the primary expectation due to the volume as well and the strength of the movement has to be that we are now in a third wave, as long as we are holding this wave 2 low, which is here at 630. So against 630, we continue to be focused on higher, and I think that view was correct. It could very well be that we're now in this third wave of the third. So looking at this third wave here, which is sort of the higher degree, obviously we've got subdivisions. What I need to just confirm to you is what is the target of the larger third wave. Target would be, we talk about at least the 1.618 fib extension. So we're talking here about at least 1050, 1060 for this large third wave, which the price has to reach in order to confirm it's a third wave. So if it's not a third wave, it would be unlikely to finish earlier. It would be unlikely, especially in crypto. In crypto, the third waves are typically the longest ones. Not in all asset classes, that's often a misconception. Not in all asset classes. But then we're looking at the subwave structure here as well. And what could be the target of this subwave 3? There we talk about the 1.618 fib extension as well. And this would be 770. Pretty sure I highlighted that target to you in the previous video when we talked about the subwave structure and the 1.618 extension. Let's just double check if I did that correctly. To the high of the 1, low of the 2, 770. So we've reached that, in this region between 770 and $8. So the target from the previous video was reached, and this could be at any moment then finish off this third wave. Also, as you can see here, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 waves in 5. Sorry, 5 waves in 3. This could still squiggle a bit higher. We don't have any reversal signal. And then we should get a fourth, which would be shallow in most cases, And then we should get this fifth wave. Now, the thing is, as you will note, either the fifth wave needs to be really long, okay, or if it's not, then the third wave here would not be so long, or what we are seeing here is going to be the first wave only of this third wave. We'll be able to pick that up. We just need to see how high does this third wave actually go. This is going to be interesting because at the moment there is no sign it's stopping. I mean, we can make an attempt here to calculate the subwaves, give you a target for this third wave, more specifically by looking at the subwave structures. Okay, and we've just reached a perfect target. So we're at a perfect turning point here, perfect turning point. Does it mean it has to turn? No. We've got next possible targets at 821, 851, 863, 890. If this is going to be an extension. Typically, we are obviously now, as it seems, in a third wave. you see quite a lot of volume here on the weekend that can hint at the that could hint at an extended fifth wave in the third. Now, if you think about where's the fifth wave, now here, 1, 2, 3, here possibly a 4 on the weekend, and this could be a 5 of 3, and this 5 could become extended. So need to see how that is going to play out. But for now, as I explained already, there's no sign it's stopping yet. So I gave you the next key targets and resistance points, and it doesn't seem like this rally is over. We are now in resistance, though. That is structural resistance and also the FIB resistance for the third wave target that we talked about in the last video here, between the 760 level and the 806 level, 805. Just a bit of a resistance structurally that we need to get above to continue make progress here in this third wave. So at the moment everything's fine, everything's good, going according to plan, and as long as we're holding the wave 2 low that I highlighted to you here at 630, we can just continue to focus on higher. And I hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.